Don't wait until the first big snowstorm to find out your snowblower won't start. Here's your essential pre-winter checklist. Step 1. Fuel system. Drain any old gas, then add fresh fuel with stabilizer. Stale fuel is the #1 reason snowblowers fail to start after storage. Step 2. Spark plug. Remove it, check for fouling, and replace if it looks bad. It's an easy, inexpensive fix. Step 3. Oil change. Old oil makes cold starts harder. Drain it and add fresh SAE 5W30. Step 4. Check the auger and belts. Spin the auger by hand to ensure it moves smoothly. Inspect belts for cracking or wear. Step 5. Tires and shear pins. Make sure your tires are inflated and keep spare shear pins handy. They can save you mid-storm. Step 6. Run the machine now. Let it idle a few minutes to be sure everything works before the snow arrives. Follow this checklist now, and your snowblower will be ready to fire up when the first flakes fall. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, share and check out more by Fix-It manuals. Links for eBay and Amazon for parts, tools and accessories here and in description. Disclosure: I am an eBay and Amazon affiliate, so I will get paid for qualifying purchases when purchased within 24 hours. Comment below what video you would like me to do next.